Hello everyone, I'm Ronak Doshi, co-founder of RNK Advisors LLP. Warm greetings to you all. Well, today we mark 3 years of RNK and it would have not been possible without the support and faith of our clients and staff. Today we want to share our journey with you all, starting with the core team of RNK Advisors LLP. RNK Advisors LLP was founded in 2017 by Mr. Kaushik Jain and I. Over time, we had CA Rishabh Mehta, CA Neeraj Jain join us as our business associates with their commendable expertise. Further introducing to our expert panelist team, Mr. Sunil Sharma, Mr. Sanjeev Bafna, CA Sailesh Nahar, CA Harshad Jain, CA Sanjay Chauhan and CA Manish Vohra. RNK Advisors LLP came into existence with the idea of providing our clients an overall approach towards all their financial health and management. As the name Finvisor stands for Financial Advisors, we help our clients in accounting, finance, taxation, investments and a lot more all at one place and under one roof. Whether you are a startup, a partnership firm, LLP, a company, HUF or a sole proprietor, we will help you in the coordination of all things finance with structured planning as per your needs without any faulty compliances. We at RNK Advisors LLP have established a platform for our clients where we service hand-holding assistance to resolve all their financial and management problems. We work to offer the client services that are actually designed for the benefits, and it is all done with the hassle-free coordination by providing our clients a customized advice and servicing all the documentation and executing it all entirely under one roof. Our work ethics keep us disciplined about delivering the certifications on time. On this big day, we would like to share a few major achievements. In the year 2019-20, we were appointed by Metal and Stainless Steel Merchants Association, also known as MASMA, as the business and financial consultants. We have also consulted and closed a real estate deal worth rupees 90 crores for one of our clients and a renowned developer. We have arranged to provide the funding of rupees 455 crores in previous years, serving across all sectors from multiple banks and financial institutions. We were also awarded by a mutual fund agency for the highest investment done in the last quarter of 2017-18. We take pride in sharing valuable information with our clients throughout the process. We pay attention to detail in all their queries and resolve it to their utmost understanding. We have also conducted various webinars, seminars for our clients' better understanding of income tax laws, GST laws and all other compliances and finances. Honestly speaking, you can't do today's job with yesterday's thoughts for a better future. When we started, we aimed to declutter the unorganized financial account holdings for our clients in various sectors such as metal, electronics, chemical, computers, petroleum, gold, jewelry, diamond, bullion, textiles, tourism, airline, cell phone, automobile, shipping and many more sectors. We have also longed to achieve a more organized books of accounts for our clients to help them gain their profits. Our motto is to upskill the client along the process so that they are able to identify and achieve their financial goals, aims and objectives. We have a team of experienced financial advisors who enhance knowledge, funds and the wealth of our clients. Our logo itself speaks for our success. The symbol of greater than or equal to in our logo states that whoever is associated with RNK Advisors LLP will always be held valuable. Our success is giving our clients the confidence and the trust that they are on the right financial path. Our belief in making a positive difference and doing some good for our clients has kept us determined and passionate about our work.